guys listen to early Tuesday morning. I mean, early Wednesday morning news for CBC Radio 4.
That is an Al-Qaeda leader saying Yemen-based operatives planned and financed the attack on the Charlie Hebdo newspaper. The message is attacks of vengeance for Western insults directed at the Prophet Muhammad. Meanwhile, this week's edition of the French satirical magazine Charlie Hebdo is with an unprecedented subscription of 3 million copies. Normally only 60,000 are printed each week. And this issue features a front-page caricature of the Prophet Muhammad. Chris Morris reports now from Paris.
It stays true to those sometimes harsh satirical roots on the back. Actually, it's got about 14 different potential covers. The covers that it was thinking about running before it settled on the picture of Prophet Muhammad with the words "All is forgiven." And inside, just page after page, railing against the establishment. The editorial says the funniest thing that happened this week was when the bells of Notre Dame rang for us, suggesting that simply wasn't appropriate because it was part of the establishment they didn't want to be associated with.
And the BBC's Chris Morris in Paris. Still in the French capital, it is one of the most infamous images from last week's deadly standoff at a Parisian kosher market. A photograph of a freed hostage being carried across the shoulders of a French police officer. And now she has spoken to CBC News. Here's the CBC's Nell Ayed.
This wonderful lady by the name of Lil Flecky and her husband Francis, who went into their home to recount what could only be a harrowing day for them, when she essentially went missing, and he wondered where she was, and only later to discover that she had gone shopping and ended up being one of the hostages. She heard first a gunshot, then she witnessed the murder of at least 2 of the 4 who were killed in that market. It took 4 hours before police actually mounted a raid and went into that supermarket, and Ming was so overwhelmed and so nervous and anxious that when the policeman asked her to run, she physically could not do it. So she had to be carried over the shoulder of a policeman to get her out of the area. And that is actually how her husband was safe. So he saw a picture and didn't see her face, but he saw her kids and he realized very emotionally that she relieved that she had made it out safely.
CBC's Nell Ayed in Paris. Police in Halifax are appealing to female dentistry students at Dalhousie University who were the subject of Facebook posts by some of their male classmates. They say they would like to speak with the women to determine if there has been any criminal wrongdoing. Here's Constable Pierre Bourdard.
That to me is so stupid. Why is Dalhousie University students like their dentistry that their people, if they say something that's not appropriate on Facebook page and all that about the women in their own class, it's just like, why is it so stupid?
Cooperate with police. The Facebook post to the police headquarters in Halifax. The falling price of oil has led to another spending cut announcement here in Canada. Suncor says it will be trimming its capital budget by $1 billion, and that could mean the loss of as many as 1,000 jobs. The company says the development projects that haven't been given final go-ahead are being delayed. Shell made a similar announcement earlier this week. And now,